Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. So today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Michael Jackson Dangerous Dance. Now it's not the original one, but it's a new one by Kevin and Miranda. Like, it's so good, MJ would be proud. And the dance is actually fairly easy, so if you just follow it step by step, then you should be able to get it. Okay, so let's start with a preview of the first mini section. It goes like this. Woom, ha, way, ha. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now let me explain. So what you want to do is say right leg, then just show it from the side, it's going to be easy to see. So right is going to say kick to the front, down, then take your left back, and then left says kick to the front, whoop, down, and then right back, whoop. All right, now let me show it to the front again. I'm gonna say right, down, left, back, and left kick, down, right, back. Okay, so whoop, ha, whoop, ha. That's basically it. Now you can make this move much more intricate. Yeah, adding this bounce. But I think let's just keep it to the simple one. If you're interested, I'm just gonna do a separate tutorial on how to do this move, all right? But now just say kick and a back, and kick and a back, and add a bit of bounce if you want to. Now the right arm is just saying flick, 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 flick. It's not important how many times you do it. I'm doing like that, all right? Okay, so we did kick and a back, kick and a back, and from here, what you wanna do is jump out both legs, whoop, back up. Pretty easy, right? Now, at the same time, you also want to do scoop out with your arms, down, boom, down. So at the same time, it's gonna be like this, boom, down. Try with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna jump up. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump up. Okay, so let's just recap here. From the beginning, we did kick, back, and now jump up. I think I would just want to show it from the side as well. So from the beginning, it looks like this. Kick, out, kick, back, sorry, jump, here. Okay, let's try and practice that. So I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick and out back, kick and out back, jump up. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick and out back, kick and out back, out, up. Okay, moving on to mini section 2. Let me just quickly show you what you're about to learn. So right after boom, 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 what you want to do is go wah, 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 a. All right, let me break it down for you. So what you want to do, take your right arm, go across your chest to the left side, back to the right, and then you want to say when this one drops down, you want to look to the left, back. Okay, so let me just repeat. Whoom, 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 whoom. Let's do the last one as well. From here, you want to say wrist roll, rolling inwards. So I'm going whoop, up. Okay, at the same time, I also want to take a step out with my right, whoom. All right, so at the same time, it's going to look like this. Roll, up. All right, so when I bring it back in, this arm drops down. Okay, let's do a recap. So I go whoop, 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 wrist roll, back. Let's try and practice that. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, tap, look, back, wrist roll, in. Let's try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, look left, back, wrist roll, in. One last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, look, back, wrist roll, in. All right, now I want to do mini section 1 and 2 together, all right? So if you're not comfortable with either one, then go practice it before continuing, okay? So let me just do a quick recap. From the tip to top, it goes like this. Kick and out back, kick and a back and a jump, and arm, head, wrist, and in. All right, let me try my best to show you the timing here before we start practicing, okay? So it goes like ding, ka, da, ka, boom, ha, na, 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 ninja. Okay, let's just try and practice that super slow, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, ding, ka, na, ka, boom, ha, na, 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 ninja. All right, let's try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, dangerous cat. Boom, ha, na, 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 danger. Okay guys, I can sense that you guys are doing great. Just keep practicing if you're still struggling a bit. If not, then let's continue to mini section 3. So, a quick preview, it goes ha, 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 a, and a. Okay, let me explain. So, what you want to do is go left with your head, right, left. Now, this is not super easy if you're not that flexible, alright? So, moving your head from side to side. Boom, boom, boom. Left, right, left. Now, from here, what you want to do is your legs goes inwards, outwards, okay? So, I'm going heels out, and then toes out, alright? Just try that with me. We're gonna go heel, toes. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toes. At the same time, you also want to grab boom, boom. Okay? So, let me just recap here. We're doing left, right, left, boom, boom. And then from here, let me show you the last part. We want to go shoulder, shoulder, and then switch, shoulder, shoulder. Let me just recap again. This new part, we did head, 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 heels, toes, and then shoulder, 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 shoulder. Now, if the shoulder part isn't that obvious, I'm just gonna explain it again. So you wanna go prep, yeah, so you're bringing that right shoulder down, the left shoulder's up, and then you just wanna say switch, and then opposite. Now it's the right shoulder going switch, and switch, yeah, and also want to turn slightly, so this one is more in the front and this one is in the back. Boom, boom, and boom, boom. Now the timing on this one is a bit tricky, so let me just explain before we start practicing, okay? So, actually I want to do the previous move as well, before we do this head thing. So it goes dangerous, boom, ha, ka, boom, ka. That's basically what the music is saying, okay? So let me show you again. We're gonna do the dangerous part as well. And I'm just gonna show you. So, dangerous, boom, ha, ka, boom, ka. All right, time to practice. And we're gonna do this dangerous move as well, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go dangerous. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dangerous, boom, ha, ka, boom, ka. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go dangerous, boom, ha, ka, boom, ka. One last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dangerous, boom, ha, ka. Boom, ka. Okay, so mini section 4, let me show you a quick preview. This was end of 3, boom, boom. Now 4 is boom, hey, tap, 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 walk, walk, boom, boom, ha. Okay, so this was end of 3. From here, what you want to do is go prep, kick, jump, step. So what I mean by that is you want to go prep, kick, jump, step. Okay, let me just do it again. From here, whoop, prep, kick, jump, step. Now from here, what you want to do is go place your arms to your left side, and then now you want to turn your body to your left, going boom, boom. Okay, so when I rotate, I want to say step right, left. Okay, right, left. At the same time, your arms are going to come to the front, yeah, so they just go opposite directions. bop, bop. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to say right step, left step. Let me show it to the front as well. Right step, left step. Just try that with me actually. 5. Actually, let's go. Boom, 5, 5. Right step, left step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 5, 5. Right step, left step. Okay, from here, what you want to do is you want to go jump, jump, jump 3 times. You want to go jump, right one is in the back. You want to go a bit further in, and then all the way in. Okay? So again, from here, you want to say jump, jump, back. Okay? 3 times. So let's just do recap. The new part in section 4 is you want to say prep, kick, jump in, place your arms, turn, and then you want to go step, boom, left, boom. From here, you want to say jump, jump, jump. Okay, before we start practicing, let me just show you the timing. So the timing goes boom, ka, it goes na na na, my money, ka, na na na, boom, boom, ha. Okay, let's try and practice that. So from and end of section 3, we're gonna go na 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 na, and so on. All right, we're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na na na, my money. Na na na, na na na. Let's try that again. Same tempo. 5. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 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 na, money. Na 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 na. Alright guys, feel free to practice more if you need to. If you're ready to move on, then let's do a recap and start all the way from the tip to the top. Yes, in the section 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Okay, so let's do a recap here. So from the tip to the top, it goes ding, ka, na, ka, boom, ha, da 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 da, dangerous, ha, ee, ka, boom, ka, na na na, my money, ka, na na, boom, boom, ha. Alright, let's try that slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ding, ka, na, ka, boom, ha, da 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 da, dangerous, boom, ha, ka, boom, ka, na na na, my money, na 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 na, na na. All right, let's try that again. Same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dangerous, ka, boom, ha, get out da da, dangerous, boom, ha, ka, boom, ka, na na na, money, ka, na na na, ka. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.